Guys, today we're playing Melon Playground, they say? Melon Sandbox. And spoiler, there are gonna be ads. A lot of ads. So I'm just gonna make my own story, I guess. So you see I've been working a lot, getting some stuff, getting watermelon, this melon playground thing. Well, I'm gonna make a story. So this would be the stalker. Right there. Yes, I want that. And then we go to save. And then we might need it's gonna be big. Hey, where? Come on, up here. Up here. Okay, I just moved the recording thing. Oh. What did I just do? Okay, it's fine. Okay. So there's gonna be people in the house. There's gonna be melon, corn. Oh yeah, I need his baby too. I need 2 little babies. Melons. And then there's gonna be a baby corn right there. And Jandel, Sammy. I got an orange. I got baby pumpkin. They're not the same. We got Slenderman, which is going to be the other side of the building. And then there's going to be people like here. Oh, what am I doing? I think I'm going to do... No, it's bad. What? How did I do that? Yeah, I need another one of those scary guys. Okay. He's coming. He's in the building. He's destroying everything. Oh my goodness! How many? Slenderman on the other side. Gonna be inside. Oh my God. Sammy! No, Sammy! You need to run. Oh, and the whole building is breaking. With tomato inside it. It's tomato. There was... Run! Melons! Go! No! We need to run. Okay. Where do we go now? I don't know. Little melon. Help, please. Guys, I'm rotting slowly. This green thing on my arm. Oh, you need my help. I always help everyone. How did you appear? Or in front of us? I don't know actually. Yeah, I don't know. Let's just go. Okay. Gotta be careful. Look. My goodness. Hey! Don't do anything! You destroyed where we live. Please. Stay back. Ow! No, You destroyed our whole building. Go. I'm sorry. Oh no, we need something. We need something. We need something. Acid. Acid. Oh, help. I'm turning into a skeleton. Mini melon. What have we done? No, I don't want a skeleton. No. Yeah, you can see this timer. That's where the ads come.
Just found the perfect piece to pull my home together.
No.
This rattan sideboard. The texture feels so warm and modern, and it actually hides loads of bits I don't want on show. The shelves are adjustable too, so it works anywhere. Kitchen, hallway, living room. Honestly, such a stylish and affordable upgrade.
No, I don't want to view anything. Boom. Okay. Back in the roleplay. We need to run, guys. We need to. What's happening to that guy? Oh! No. Oh no. What is that building doing here? Where are we? Hello? Oh, hello. I'm here! Up here! Ow! Oh! Where are we? Tomato? Yeah, I don't know where we are either. The building! Pumpkin, stay down. You don't want this to happen. Oh, dear. Just stay. No. No. Right there we are. What? Are you okay? Are you? Ah. Please. Please. Oh, something's right behind me. Help me. Something's it's reach me, I think. Oh no. No. Please. Don't do this for me. Oh, not my watch. Baby pumpkin, are you okay? Pumpkin! No, stop playing jokes. Are you okay? I need to get you. Oh no. Ow! Ow! Help me. Don't worry, I'm here. Ow. Don't do anything into our home again. Oh. Oh no, I'm gonna get hit. No. Oh. KO. Ow. Please stay away. Is anyone okay? Oh, I lost my body. Goo gaga. Who are you? Please, who are you? Oh, baby corn. Baby corn. Baby corn. Baby corn. Valeria. Yes. It is I. Melons. Who are you? Oh, sorry. What did I do to that watermelon? Okay. Ow. Okay. Guys, there's a big monster. Oh no! It's eating everything. Baby corn, baby corn. Come on, baby corn, no. What is this ad? No, I'm not going. Okay, don't mind me. Don't. Okay, back to entrance. Can that actually save? Can you saved? Okay, this is before we did the sound one. No, it isn't. Okay, we're gonna pause that. Can we pause that? Okay, can we pause that? Please, can we pause it? Please, can we pause it? Okay. You can see there's nothing. It's not going. Yeah. You could tell. Look how slow. I can't even move the screen. Like, actually, I can't move the screen at all. I'm moving with my finger right now. I'm moving it with my finger. It's not working. Okay. Please, at least, please go to snow mode? Slow mode. Please. No. It was slow. Run! Oh no! Wait, I made it finally. Is anyone okay? Who are you down there? Ouch. What's your name? Oh no, this is bad. Everyone's gone in the city now. That's a bad thing. Ouch! Oh no, I need to run. Why are you stuck in the bricks again? Sandworm. Stop it, sandworm. I want fresh too. Add warning. A melon sandbox. One big bite. Wow, that'd be a good. But I think it's a fake. No, I don't think that one's real. I'm gonna pass on that one. Need to run. It's not safe. Yeah, I'm the great alien talking. Okay, sorry about that. Help. That was a fresh meal. You're gonna be mine now. Yummy. Just take the bricks out. It's not that hard. Stop eating those bricks. Those bricks are mine. everyone. It's gonna be chaos. Just run, baby corn. It doesn't think I can. You better be a corn. Ouch. Ouch. I want to. Whoa. Look what we have here. Help me! Please. Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Don't worry. I'll help you.